Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to delete your Ionos email account step by step. If you're ready to remove an email you no longer need, just follow along and you'll have it done in minutes. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Ionos email account. Let's start with the very first step you need to take, which is heading to the Ionos website. Once you're there, you'll notice a lot of options, but don't let that overwhelm you. Your target is the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click. The design of the website is quite, user-friendly, so it shouldn't be too hard to spot. After you've clicked on Sign In, you're going to be redirected to a new page. Here, you'll see another option that says Customer Account. This is exactly where you want to be. Click on it and you'll be one step closer to managing your Ionos services. Following that, you'll need to click on Sign In once more. It might seem repetitive, but it's just the process of navigating through the secure layers of the site to ensure that it's indeed you making the changes to your account. Now you'll be prompted to type in your email address. This is important because it identifies your specific account among the millions of users who might be using Ionos services. Make sure you enter the email associated with the account you wish to delete. Next, click on Next to proceed. The page will then ask for your password. This is a critical step for verifying your identity and protecting your account from unauthorized access. Ensure you type in your correct password to avoid any access issues. After entering your password, click Next again. Now you're all logged in and you should find yourself on the home page of your Ionos dashboard. The next thing you want to do is navigate to the email section. This might require you to scroll down or look through the options available in your dashboard, but it's generally easy to find. Upon reaching the email section, you will see your subscriptions listed. Click on the subscription you're interested in managing. In most cases, people have just one. However, if you have multiple, make sure you select the email account you actually wish to delete. After selecting your subscription, you'll see an overview of your email account. Here, look for the three-dot symbol, often found next to or below your email address. This symbol indicates more options. Click on it to see what actions you can take. Among the options, you'll find Delete. It might be a bit hard to let go, but if you're sure about deleting your account, this is the button to click. Keep in mind that this action is usually irreversible, so be absolutely certain before proceeding. Clicking Delete will prompt a confirmation. This is your last chance to back out. If you're sure you want to proceed, click on Delete again to confirm your decision. This action will initiate the process of permanently removing your email account from Ionos. And there you have it. That's how you delete an Ionos email account. It's not an overly complicated process, but it does require you to carefully follow each step to ensure you're making the changes to the correct account. Remember, deleting an email account is permanent and will result in the loss of all data associated with that account, so make sure this is what you want before proceeding. If you have any doubts or second thoughts during the process, it's always a good idea to pause and reconsider your options. Perhaps there's a way to address whatever issue you're facing without fully deleting your account. However, if your mind is made up, this guide should help you accomplish your objective in a few simple steps. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or consult the Ionos Help Center for more detailed guidance. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more simple tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.